In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move space to another workspace in Clickup. We'll do this by turning your existing space into a template, then using that template to recreate the space in the destination workspace. This approach preserves the structure and content you choose, and it's the most reliable way to move a space when a direct move option isn't available. Start in Clickup and head to your workspace view, such as the inbox area, so you can easily navigate. Open the space you want to move. This ensures you're working with the exact space and settings you intend to duplicate. Open the space options by clicking the three-dot menu next to the space name. From that menu, choose Templates, then select Save as Template. This begins the process of packaging your space, its lists, tasks, and configurations, so it can be reused elsewhere. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Next, adjust the sharing settings so the template is accessible in another workspace. Select Everyone, then enable public sharing. Making the template public is what allows it to be found from a different workspace under your account. When those options are set, click Save Template and let Clickup finish creating it. Depending on the size of your space, this might take a moment. Now, in the workspace where you want this space to live, start creating it from the template. Click the plus icon to add a new space and choose Use Templates. This opens the template gallery so you can quickly locate what you just saved. To find it fast, filter by Created By and pick Me. That narrows the list to templates you created. Click on the template you just saved to open its details, verify it's the right one, and then select Use Template. When prompted, type the new space name. You can reuse the original name or adjust it slightly to avoid confusion if the original space will remain active. Finally, confirm by clicking Use Template. ClickUp will build the new space using that template structure and included content. Once the creation completes, review the new space to confirm lists, tasks, and settings look right. Because we enabled public sharing only for the template and not for your ongoing data, you can keep your workspace secure while still making the move possible. If your template is large, give ClickUp a bit of time to finish syncing everything. That's it. Your space has been effectively moved into the other workspace.